Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing and review of checking out this H83 Pro RGB wireless mechanical gaming keyboard. This is a 75% size, so it's a little bit smaller than your average keyboard. We got some instructions here on top, how to set it up and whatnot. Excellent packaging there, check that out. Wow, this is a stout, heavy-duty keyboard here. I think this features 2.4 gig Bluetooth 5.0, so that's cool. Check that out. This thing is burly. It's like probably weighs a couple pounds. Okay, and all the letters and everything you see from the side. We have a nice little non-stick pads on the bottom. We have a Bluetooth cable or 2.4G hookup, and we have a switch here. So Bluetooth and cable and 2.4G, and then Windows Mac here on the side. And also, if you want to plug it in, the USB-C port right there. I think this comes with a little dongle right here. You also have things for switching out the keys. Let's get the little dongle. That little guy. I'll just plug this in, turn it on. Here we have, it comes with a cable if you do want to wire. And then also we have a mechanical key puller, so we can pull the keys off and switch it out. Let's hook this thing up here real quick, shall we? Okay, we're doing Windows, so I got Windows. We're plugged in, and that would be Bluetooth. I'm gonna switch to Bluetooth. Okay, check that out. Lights up nicely. Very cool. Are we ready to go? I think I can, let's see here. Oh wow, that is smooth. I plugged in the dongle here, so let me check it out. Okay, so the dongle is not Bluetooth. It's the 2.4G. And then we just type. That is so smooth. Wow, very, very responsive there. That is cool. Hit the back, up, down arrows, home page. Very nice. I mean, this thing is really solidly built here. Let's, just want you guys to see. This is very smooth, and I think we can change the light settings here too. We got the LED light strips on the side as well. I don't know if you guys can see it as well, so we'll just switch this around. You can see the LED lights really pop out at you right there. All right, this is sweet. FN and backspace, and you can see how this is going here. Hit that, and it goes like a different direction. It just changes all the breathing here from different patterns. That's so cool. Oh wow, that one's like a Christmas light one. That's really cool. You have them off. You can have like just all red, or you can have them flashing. You have the blue, just a ton of different patterns, guys. This is so cool. Now we can make this dimmer, we can make it brighter. We can go slower, or we can go faster with the breathing. So dim, hold down the FN key. You want it brightest possible. You want to go slow it down or speed it up or dim. So cool. If you want to increase the saturation or decrease it, you hold this down, and that decrease it. You have the backlight saturation is nothing, and then obviously crank it up more, and we can see all the colors come through there. Okay, if we don't use the FN, I can adjust the volume on my computer simply by rotating this on or off. So that's very cool, very handy to have those right at your fingertips there. If we want to check the battery, FN in space, this gives us the bars there. See, we got the green lights here once it goes down, and also the space bar will start blinking red right here in the light when it indicates the battery is low. Okay, to connect this to Bluetooth, you hold down the FN and the 1, 2, 3 buttons, and then it'll, about 3 seconds, you should be able to just discover it in your phone's Bluetooth. If you're a slow typer like I am, now check that out. We can just, oh, this is so smooth. So you could type, because I don't type on my phone very fast at all, so if I need to do something like that, I can hook up the Bluetooth to that. I can connect to my Windows, I can connect to Mac, I can connect to my phone. I mean, look at this. So type in this whatever on there, and just the keyboard's just so smooth and responsive. So that's very cool. So guys, I have for my station here, it's really nice to have this wireless keyboard here. It's so responsive. I can turn up the volume. I like how you can just change the colors, change the pattern, make it brighter, dimmer. Just super cool. All the different things you can do with this. You can customize the keys. I like how smooth it is. Just very nice feedback. It's super quiet, very responsive. I like that 75%, you know, a little bit instead of 100%, 75% compared to this keyboard, just a little bit smaller. But I kind of like that. All the keys are right here. It's very compact. I usually have this table here, so it's difficult for me to get to my other keyboard. So it's nice that this is wireless. This has a good sized battery, so it's going to last a long time. It's also going to give you an indicator when it's going down. So whether you're gaming or whatever, you need a little bit more room away from your monitors or anything like that. You guys can see that this is just so smooth. It's so clean. All the lights, I love how like they're super easy to configure all of them. I like that you can hook it up to your phone. You can hook it up wirelessly. You can wire it to your computer. You can use it with a Mac. You can use it with Windows. You can use it with your phone. So it's just a really nice, sleek looking. I mean, check out the sides of that. It's just really cool. I think this is an excellent keyboard. The response time is just crazy fast on here as well. It's just, I mean, you can hear that. It's just like super smooth. Nice feedback though. It's not like loud, but enough so you know that you're pushing the buttons. So you can just do, if you're into like some fast typing or gaming or whatever, this is an excellent keyboard, my friends. Thanks so much for watching this review. I hope it's helpful. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you all next time.